So obviously scaling up. Bream, I cook whole on the barbecue. It's the only way to cook them. Yes, they're more work, as you can see, because no one wants to get a scale. It does help if you have a cleaning table. Not sure the partner will be too keen on you doing this in the house. This guy was caught this morning too. No, he was caught yesterday, sorry. The flathead was caught yesterday, and this guy was caught yesterday, not this morning. But it's still fresh as. Of course I'm going to miss some scales, so I'll go back over. Well, I missed scales. I missed scales. Of course I missed scales. There. Okay. Okay, now. We know where we're going here, I don't have to say. Up through there. And through there. And through there. You can sort of anchor the knife against the fish to get through there. Depends how sharp your knife is. Let's see what he's been eating. Well, who knows? I can't tell from that. Oh, actually, there's some little bits of pebble and rock there, so it's been picking off the bottom. I'll tell you, it doesn't smell great coming out of there. So give it a hose. But you don't have to go crazy, you know, get a bit out. You don't have to scrub it. People scrubbing it spotless. I don't think you have to buy them like this all the time. There you go. No, that's it. That's a nice clean fish. Okay. Now what I do, the other thing I do, I just score it down here a few times. 4. Gee, this knife's getting blunt. Put this on the grinder tonight. Right. There. Through there. Because when I cook it, that's all the salt and pepper's going to get in there. Alright, okay, that's the buzzer for something else, but that's it. So I'll cook it and I'll add that to the end of the video. Okay, here's the bream. I haven't cut it to dry or anything. Barbie's hot. Olive oil, and then I'll salt it, pepper, and then it'll go on the barbie. I'll show you that. And straight on it goes. And then I'll put olive oil, then I'll season this side. I did 10 minutes aside, or probably 8 or 10 minutes aside. You can see in there when it's cooked, you have to flip it, but 8 or 10 minutes aside. I'll come back shortly. Okay, I'm going to flip that now. Okay, I'm just going to flip this one. see how good that looks. Now, just going to squeeze a bit of lemon over it, and that's it. Off it comes, and I'm just telling you, once that cools down and you pull this meat out here, I just generally just eat it with my fingers. The skin is crispy. The skin's crispy. Oh God, beautiful. And then you've got this beautiful white meat underneath. And that's delicious. Oh, bream. That's just bream. So good.
Oh yeah. Oh, he wants it. Yeah, he wants it.
Let him take it.
He wants it.
You know how they just circle it?
Yes.
He's gone quiet on me. He's gone quiet.
Yeah. Sometimes they feel things are not quite right.
I can't be pulled it, and he's on. No.
Yeah.
Goes there next time. Oh, hang on, no, he's on.
He's on.
Yeah, he's on. He's on. He's on. He's there. He's coming up.
We found another spot, mate.
Fuck. Where's he going? I think he's going. Oh.
Oh, it's a bream. It's huge.
Oh, is it a bream?
Big blue nose.
Holy shit, he's got some pull.
Oh, he would have. You should see it. Look.
I can't get that rod around.
Oh, he's gone. Come back under. He's coming under.
He's coming under?
Yeah.
Oh, hang on, there he is. But I'm on lines on the boat. Hang on, I'll just take it out. Yeah, just.
Yeah. He might swim free. Oh, hang on. What if I go back?
Hang on.
There he's out. He's out. You're on.
No,
You're on.
sorry, mate.
You're double on.
Oh, he's a good bream.
Oh, fuck. I'll just get that out of the way.
He's my PB bream.
He's now.
He is now.
Fuck. Look at that.
That's
They're the big blue nose.
mate.
Big blue nose.
You eat them. Don't
Yeah,
you eat
they're-
them. You
they're
take
beautiful.
him, mate. You eat him.
They're beautiful. Look at that. That's up around what, 30?
But fat. That could have been chasing it. And he's come back and have another
circled.
Yeah, that's a nice bream, mate. Big blue nose, look at him.
Yeah,
The blue lips on him.
That's what we get out the back of my house.
Is that what you get?
Yeah, we get them.
Fuck.
We get them. Yeah, he's 38.
So that's a good size bream.
Yes.
Tell you what, we've got a bit of a smorgasbord happening here.
It's all happening.